Hey kids, Tito James here. Welcome back to the channel where we take awesome out of the box. In this one, we're going to be taking a look at a budget-friendly fitness tracker, the Blackview X2. Of course, tracking the progress of your fitness journeys can be very important to see if you're doing the right things or if you need to amp things up a bit. And while there are a ton of fitness trackers out in the market right now, it might be a little intimidating when you see the price tags on some of the recommended brands, which is why I'm glad to see some budget-friendly options like the Blackview X2. By the way, it goes without saying that if you are going to be exercising outdoors, please take all the necessary precautions to stay safe. But anyway, let's show you what comes inside the box. And actually, this was a pretty straightforward unboxing experience. Inside the box, you have the Blackview X2 itself, a user manual, and the charging cable. Take note though that there is a QR code on the back of the box that will allow you to download the Hband app so you can really take advantage of this fitness tracker. Alright, so now let's talk about the watch itself and what I like about it. Now, number one is the fact that for its price, it actually looks really good. Typically, when you think of a fitness band or smartwatch around this price point, design takes a back seat, but I was pleasantly surprised with the X2. There's no denying that its case looks very similar to the Huawei Watch GT2 or the Honor Magic Watch 2, but it has one less crown, but it should be enough to navigate through the device. The case itself is made out of stainless steel according to their official website with a plastic bottom, which is where you'll find the X2 sensors and its charging points as well. My only complaint so far is that the strap they use is not quite as comfortable and breathable as other smartwatches I've tried in the past. It's a little rigid and I do get sweaty just wearing it around and not even exercising, so keep that in mind. For the screen, it measures in at 1.3 inches and utilizes a TFT panel that's 240 by 240 pixels, and it's protected by 2.5D Corning Gorilla Glass. The bezels are pretty hard to ignore, and to be honest with you guys, we've seen better displays on other devices like this, but you can read the information you want out of the X2, so it'll do. There are also only 4 different watch faces available on this device, and from the tinkering I've done so far, that's all you're getting. The second thing I like about the X2 is that for the price point, it covers pretty much all the basics you need to track your progress. Like most fitness bands, the Blackview X2 can measure the number of steps that you take, calories burned, distance, sleep, and your heart rate. So in that sense, as I mentioned, it covers all the basics. There's also a section on this watch dedicated to female health where it can help track your cycles. Of course, I have that switched off. Now, of course, you can drill down to more specific activities, but the options in that department are limited to just 9. There's outdoor running, outdoor walking, indoor running, indoor walking, mountaineering, hiking, cycling, indoors and outdoors, and rowing. Now, I would have loved to see a swimming option on the X2 since this is water resistant up to 50 meters for 10 minutes, so you can take this snorkeling once it's safe to go out in the world again. Now, the X2 also has some pretty basic smartwatch capabilities. You can get message and call notifications on it, and of course control your Spotify playlist as well. For the hardware driving this watch, you've got an SoC from Nordic Semiconductors that's paired with 64 KB of RAM and 512 KB of ROM, which really doesn't sound like much, but navigating through the watch has been relatively smooth in the little time we've spent with it. You're also getting a 260 mAh battery on the X2 that Blackview has rated to last up to 10 days of use and 30 days of standby time, but we'll have to see what the lasting power on this device really is. Now, currently, you can find the Blackview X2 via Lazada where it's priced at around 1,800 pesos, but if you visit their Hong Kong-based website, it's listed at around $30 or $29.99 to be exact, and that's where you can also check out the rest of their products. So that's pretty much it for your quick look at the Blackview X2. If you're looking for a fitness tracker that won't break the bank, this is definitely an option for you guys. I'll leave a link down below where you can check it out. Anyway, thank you so much for dropping by and spending a few minutes with me. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, sub to the channel, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our content. If you have any questions, leave them down below and I'll try my best to get to them as soon as I can. For all the latest tech news and gadget reviews, head to unbox.ph, plus follow us on Facebook and on Instagram. My name is Jamie. Peace, God bless, stay safe out there, and I'll see you guys next time.